guys, it's your girl with Secrets coming at you with another video. Before we get started, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend, tell another friend, tell your mama and them, because we lady over here. Without further ado, we're going to be doing a Temu little haul situation. It's very minor. One thing we're going to start off with is these little things right here. So y'all remember I purchased this one because I want to get a piercing, so I put the piercing rings in here. I'm not sure if I'm going to do it myself or just get it professionally done. I think I might just get it professionally done because of the type of piercing it is. But the other one, like my loose leaf, I would say loose leaf paper, my loose jewelry that I wear and put on, I just put in here because it was just like scattered on my table, so I just put it in here. So it's a good little gadget to have. So that's one thing. Hold on, let me put this back. I'm trying to keep everything neat. So, alright, and I'm going to be cleaning up as I go. Alright, so we got Temu, baby. So I fell in love with the Christian Dior lip dupes. So I actually bought some more for myself, my mom, and I'm actually going to do a giveaway. So this is going to be including the giveaway. I'm not telling y'all what's in the giveaway. This is in the future. Future when, we don't know. So basically it's this one. I haven't used this one yet because I've been using this one, which, oh my goodness, this is so good. It's like a lip balm and it goes on clear, y'all, the best. Or this other one I use, like, the best. That's because I gotta do what's in my purse and pack like stuff in my purse, y'all, because I've been like not going nowhere because y'all know what's up. So this is in the color, I think, raspberry. So we got raspberry. We got different kinds. So Butterfingers. So I know I got my mama one. Let me see which one I got. Mama Rare. I think I got Mama Rare 4, a 7. I think I got a 4 for me and another 7. And I forgot which ones I'm going to do the giveaway. So that's that one. And then also, y'all, because right now I can't really do too much, but when I am back and at it, I did try Temu's clothing. The only clothing I tried is I got a nightgown. I got these onesies, y'all. They're, oh my goodness, they're stretchy, very comfortable. I got them in neutral colors. What else I got? I got a sweater, a jean jacket that got like leopard patching on it. I gotta show y'all. It sounds crazy, but it's not. And I got another sweater right here. And I got a Karomi hat. The Karomi hat in my closet, so sorry y'all. I'll show that next time. I hope this is not too dark. So I got this sweater. It got a hoodie. And I just like the color because it got like a kind of like a magenta type pink. And it had like good star reviews. Oh, and it's nice. It's not too thick, not too thin, but it is a hoodie. I got the largest size, which is a 5X, which you gotta make sure you pay attention to the sizing because the sizing is, they say it's Asian sizes. So, you know, as far as like your body type and stuff like that, you gotta take in consideration. So if you know, like, whether it comes to like your feet length and width and your bust, your waist, you know, your hips. So you need to know your measurements. If you don't know your measurements, say if you go to a store frequently, whether it's like an Old Navy, Torrance, Rue 21, American Eagle, Rainbow, look inside. Usually you can look inside and look at like other than the tag that tell you how to wash it, it'll have like, even in shoes, it'll tell you like the sizes in the, I think it's, what is it, US, European, UK, and I think Asian sizes. So use that to be your guide. Just a FYI. And y'all, this is cute. And I got a 5X, which I know this is definitely gonna fit me because y'all know I'm busty. So I'm busty and I have broad shoulders. So yeah. Then I got this little booklet just to carry in my purse when I don't want to carry my planner. It's always good to carry pen and paper with you, whether it's in your purse, your bum bag, your male bum bag, your man bag, whatever you want to call it, non-binary bag, whatever, your shopping bag, recycle bag, just because anything can happen. You know, if you get into trouble or you need to write something down, or what if your phone goes dead, you could at least have numbers written down, or if you need to write down a license plate for something or take down somebody's number or some information. So I figured this was something good just to have because technology is not always going to be available. So I thought this was cute, just something cute and simple. I thought it was cute. What else? This is a Hello Kitty sticker book. I'm not going to open this because this is going to be in a giveaway. This is a data cable set. I got stuff falling and stuff, y'all. This table's a mess. Basically, you can keep like, what is it? It's a charger, a phone holder. It has that little pin that you need to open up the side of your phone, whether it's to get your SIM card or your memory card out. And you can store your SIM card and memory card. And then there's different charging portal connectors. It's for Type C. Do I got Type C phone? Yeah, I think so. And then y'all, they got dupe. What is it? Fashetta. I think that's what they call it. For the LV, they got dupe Fashetta purse straps. Y'all know that Hello Kitty purse I had got. I didn't, I really wasn't fond of the strap. So I figure I can go in there and just get this Fashetta purse strap. It does have the red coating. Hopefully it doesn't shed. If it does, who cares? And even the ends kind of give you LV vibes. It does not say LV on there, but it does give you LV vibes, and you can adjust it. So I might still have to use an extender, but that's okay. Let's see, what else is in here? I think that's it in here. Let me throw this away. And then here, I thought these were cute. More stickers, but they're stiletto stickers. Just cute little stuff when you're writing in your planner or journal, and you just wanna. I like stickers. Like my work calendar is one of those big calendars that you hang on the wall, and I deck it out before I put down appointments or scheduling stuff that I need to put. I put my stickers down. Like the month of October had nothing but scary stickers, so I figured these were cute. Those are like those heels Carrie had in Sex and the City, but these are just stickers of heels, designer inspired heels. I think these are supposed to be some red bottoms somewhere over there. So yeah, just cute little stickers. And this was from Temu. Did I say Temu? Yeah, both of those are from Temu. And then I purchased these wristlets just to have, because I have some like wristlet purses that may have a wristlet, or I accidentally threw it away, or who knows. So I just got these. These were cheap. These were like 98 cents. So I bought 2 of these. Because I think I actually got an LV wristlet. And yeah. So yeah, y'all, that is the end of this video, and I hope to see you guys on the next one. Bye.